Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinken. In today's video, I'm going to talk about that there are bullish signs again. So again, another rally can come up soon, but let's talk about it, okay? The second news is all about that Cardano's Mary mainnet is launching today, and it's worth to talk about that as well. And the third news is all about that Google Finance add dedicated crypto tabs, which actually brings crypto more mainstream again. So another use case where you can face crypto, another place where you can discover crypto, and of course it helps it to get more and more mainstream. So all this in today's video. And don't forget to educate yourself. For instance, with these daily videos, I put these videos on YouTube every weekday. So from Monday to Friday, every day you're getting the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. The only thing you really have to do to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So first hit the like button so it gets to more people and more people can see this free content. And also subscribe, then hit the bell button and all, because then you're going to receive these notifications whenever a new video pops up on Blockchain Bloom YouTube channel. And also don't forget that we have a free course, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The link is right under this video, such like other courses and also other useful links, so it's worth to check it out. And now let's move on to the market. We can see finally Bitcoin coming up a little bit, almost 5% up at the present, $47,464 US dollar. We can see Ethereum coming up 11%, 1,522 US dollar. When we're looking at the top winners, we can see Phantom 31%, PancakeSwap 21, Ravencoin 23, Aave 21, and so on and so forth. So again, nice gains today. And we can see some, but really some losers. No losers, put it this way. OKB minus 3%, and we have Uno said Leo minus 1.8. What's that? Nothing. We'll be talking 1%. And then we have the stable coin. So today is again a nice green day overall. And this will lead us to the first news, which is all about that. Let's talk about the signs which can take the things a little bit bullish, the things what we can see already, how it can go up from this point. So as we can see today, things are changing. We had a very red weekend, all bearish signs and so on and so forth. But we have reached this kind of 43,000 US dollar support level, and we didn't break it through. Actually, it came back from that point. And therefore, it's worth to talk about what we can see right now. So Bitcoin sell-off over. Here's the question. Strong buy. The dip signal flashes for the first time in 5 months. So Bitcoin is retesting the key support level at 45,000 for the third time in the past week. And actually it went down to 43, something like that. And some analysts have pointed out that an uptick in miner selling as the reason behind the latest drop in price. So the main reason was that miners were definitely in profit and they were selling Bitcoin. So as you can see it here, when you're looking at the US institution investors, strong buy, you can see the Bitcoin whales buy. The miners were the ones who were selling. And the data analytics resource Glassnode noted that the daily Bitcoin spend output profit ratio, so SOPR, has been full reset. And this is an interesting one. I'm going to show you this in a second. So the SOPR essentially shows whether spend outputs are in profit or loss at any time of transaction. The key metric turned negative for the first time since September 2020. In other words, investors are now moving Bitcoin at a slight loss on average, suggesting that profit taking has abated according to Glassnode. And let's look at this Glassnode diagram, what we can see here. And we can here see the spend output profit ratio. So look at this black line here, and there you can see it right here that it went under it, which means that actually in average they losing, so they're not making profit. And this is actually a key sign, as you can see it here. Yeah, let's move back. So the SOPR has now reset green on the chart, meaning that wallets selling are now selling at loss. He explained, adding, this is a strong buy the dip signal in a bull market. This alongside derivatives fundings having reset is bullish. The last time the SOPR flipped green was 5 months ago when Bitcoin was trading around 10,000 US dollar. At the time, this was a key hurdle for Bitcoin to trigger a new bull market. Since then, price has surged more than 5-fold to new all-time highs of around 58,000. So this is a new all-time high. Nevertheless, and this is another important thing, even things are looking great like this, many traders remain cautious as the market enters the month of March, which has historically been bearish for cryptocurrency and all markets in general. So what we can see now this new metrics that actually this is a bullish signal, this that we can see finally SOPR again turning green, as I have shown you before. So this is definitely a bullish sign, and therefore maybe we can see now this increase. How it will continue, we will see, but this is one signal we have to look at. The other things which are important, the Nuppel chart, which I gladly see, it's still going down, down, down. Look, it's that. So here this was the key levels. Above it, it turns to blue, and then it's definitely a sign that a bearish part can come. Luckily, it turned back and it went down. So now it can re-go again. We will see. Maybe it's still dropping a little bit. It would be even better. So fingers crossed. But actually, sooner or later, we can see an increase. Probably, so there is a chance at least that in March we can see a weak month because historically looking bearish. However, each year can be different. Therefore, it can happen actually that we see cryptocurrencies getting stronger towards end of March. But of course, I will talk about it as I'm coming with these daily videos. So I will keep you up to date. No worries. So things looking so far so good, still bullish in my opinion. And now let's move on to the second news, which is all about Cardano Mary mainnet launch today. And yes, Cardano fans are waiting for this for a while because Cardano is getting stronger and stronger and stronger. If we're looking at here the chart, then we can see Cardano back on the third place. So we have seen now, in the last time here, Tether, there was a time when there was XRP, it was a while ago. We have seen Binance coin, BNB, moving to number third place. And then now we have Cardano. And Cardano itself looking definitely promising. See, now the question is how... oh, sorry, I have to move to this. Yeah, I haven't changed the screen. So now you can see it clearly. So basically you can see Cardano now on the third place. And so here are the news basically that Cardano Mary protocol update confirmed to launch on the 1st of March, which is today. And ADA is up 474% in 2021. Crazy. On Wednesday, that was back on the 24th of February, IOHK, the company developing the Cardano ADA protocol, announced that Mary protocol update, which will require hard fork, will be applied to the mainnet on the 1st of March, today. And the Mary protocol update is an important part of the rollout of phase 3 Goguen of Cardano's development. As Cardano roadmap explains, where Shelley era decentralizes the core of the system, Goguen adds the ability to build a decentralized application dApps on it. And look, when you're looking here, then you can see all these different steps. Byron, we had the first one, we had Shelley, and then now we have Gauguin. That's the one we are. Basho is coming up, and Volter. So these are the upcoming ones. And it's very important that even Cardano is doing very, very well now. And, it's a kind of competitor with Ethereum. That's what many people say, at least. Cardano's Mary upgrade and token gains are posed to compete with Ethereum, while metrics suggest that Ethereum is still the king. So at the present. And which is very important here, that in terms of functionality, this upgrade would equate Cardano's native tokens to ERC fungible and ERC 7-to-1 non-fungible tokens on Ethereum. For the first time, users on Cardano blockchain will be able to create their own token, be it fungible token or NFT, so the non-fungible token. So this is a key thing. This is a big difference which we can reach with this upgrade, which is happening right now. And there are now many competitors. We have there, the main one, Ethereum, then we have Cardano, then we have Polkadot. So we will see how all these things will play out in the future. Of course, so far, Ethereum is still the king, but these guys, Polkadot and Cardano, also coming up. And this is actually, I think, very important. When we're looking at, the chart, we can see here that there's a slight decrease right now in Cardano. And in many cases it happened. Don't forget, whenever something is launching, there is a price drop. I'm not sure how it will work out this time, but actually the price increase is before the launch, so it shows something big is going to happen. And when actually it happens, then it can be a price drop. And then, of course, another rally is coming and continues, so ups and downs as usual. But Cardano was doing very well. Even others didn't do that well. So we will see how this plays out, how much it can drop. Well, actually, it's stable. Maybe it also can happen that if now we're changing again and there's a turn back in the market and prices start to go up, it can push up Cardano because of that. So there are many scenarios. Of course, we will see today is the launch and then how it will, behave. But definitely huge news for Cardano, no question of that. And now let's move on to the first news, which is all about that Google Finance add dedicated crypto tabs. That's interesting too. It's very important to make crypto more and more mainstream. Why? Because this wide adoption will actually lift up crypto, lift up Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies. And what's happening nowadays, this is actually key because Bitcoin is again in the news. There's big interest from the investors, from institutional investors, the big guys actually investing right now in crypto. So a lot of things happening for crypto at the present. This is very, very good. And another thing, of course, when search engine is doing us a favor. And as you can see here, Google Finance adds dedicated crypto tab featuring Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So look at this here. Here you can see right at the top, crypto. This is a new thing. And then you can see here, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. Actually, it's added, which is great because, then it's coming to Google Finance, where we could see so far, the Europe, the Asian, the currencies, so different kind of stock markets. Then we have seen different kind of currencies, and now we have a crypto tab separately, which is major because think about it, which means that there is a massive interest into crypto, and therefore they have to put this kind of tab here as well. And of course, there is a search increase in Google and other search engines when people looking at words like Bitcoin, Ethereum, cryptocurrency, and so on and so forth. And this also helps to lift up the price of crypto. And this is very important because it has to grow big. If it stays, like this, then it cannot compete with the big guys like gold and all the others. It has to go up, like Bitcoin has to be very strong and worth of trillions of US dollar. But right now, with this, roughly speaking, 1 trillion market cap, it's already a nice move forward. Maybe now it's a bit under it at the present, but it will quickly change back as the price going up. So guys, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget, if you want to get the daily cryptocurrency and blockchain news, here on Blockchain Bloom, you will get it. The only thing you have to do, like, subscribe, bell button, all, and then you're going to receive all these videos every weekday. And this is very important. Now, maybe another run in the bull market is coming. We had this, downturn a little bit, which is very normal. If you're looking at historically the 2016-2017 bull market, then you could see 6 major price drops in Bitcoin, like 30%. So what's happening right now, this is totally normal. But what's happening after the price goes down, the price go up. When exactly, nobody knows. But the trend is still bullish. So it's not financial wise, but this is the time actually when investors usually collect some extra cryptos they believe in. So of course, you decide whatever you want to do. I personally, this is the time when I'm doing a bit of shopping, so waiting for the new price increase. Guys, I wish you a great day, and tomorrow, of course, I'm coming back with another video about the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Have a good one. Bye-bye.